There are a few more things that we won't be covering fully today, but we will in the future. Elon Musk didn't say that line casually. It was a clear signal to those paying close attention that Tesla's next leap isn't coming from lithium or even solid-state technology. The key element is aluminum. And in 2026, it's set to power the Tesla Model 2 with a battery so unbelievably cheap and efficient that even Musk's rivals are calling it impossible. But the future is already here. The Omega Core battery can take you beyond 100 days without charging. And today, we're going to break it down with a full technical analysis. If you value deep, honest, technical insight that cuts through marketing noise, then the subscribe button and notification bell are where you start taking action now. Join our next 795 forward-thinking individuals who understand that the future belongs to people who study it first. Let's dive into the core now. How is Omega Core pushing past every scientific limit? The Omega Core has done what experts once said was impossible by delivering an absolutely staggering 1,120 watt-hours per kilogram. That's more than 4 times the energy density of Tesla's current 4680 cells at 272 watt-hours per kilogram. To put it simply, this single breakthrough allows the 2026 Tesla Model 2 to carry the same amount of energy as a Model S while weighing less than a small car. But here's where it gets even wilder. This battery keeps over 11,000 full charge-discharge cycles before it hits 90% capacity, which means it will outlast the vehicle itself by decades. This cycle life achievement overturns conventional battery science because it solves the core problem that limited all earlier chemistries: structural wear during charge cycles. Traditional lithium-ion cells suffer crystal lattice expansion and contraction that slowly tear molecular bonds apart. The Omega Core's vacuum graphene lattice removes this expansion issue because energy is stored as quantum states instead of chemical bonds. Each charge cycle simply shifts electron quantum states without putting physical stress on the material. Looking at its lifespan, 11,000 cycles at the Model 2's expected 400-mile range equals 4.4 million miles of total battery life. For context, the average American drives about 12,000 miles per year, meaning this battery could theoretically power a car for 367 years of normal use. This changes the entire economics of owning a car, making the battery a multi-generational asset instead of a part that wears out. The temperature performance is where Omega Core completely breaks every known scientific barrier. While normal lithium-ion batteries fail badly at extreme temperatures, this revolutionary system works flawlessly between 80 degrees C and 250 degrees C. This means your Tesla Model 2 can function perfectly in Antarctic conditions and withstand desert heat that would melt conventional batteries into toxic sludge. The extreme temperature tolerance comes from the plasma conduction layer's unique properties. At ultra-low temperatures, standard batteries fail because ionic movement slows almost to zero. Plasma conduction keeps electrons flowing because ionized particles respond to electromagnetic fields rather than thermal energy. At high temperatures, the vacuum graphene lattice prevents thermal runaway because there are no chemical reactions to accelerate. Energy storage happens through quantum effects that stay stable regardless of temperature. Even with this incredible performance, the Omega Core cuts weight by 48% compared to the LFP pack in today's Model 3. Tesla has essentially built a battery that's more powerful, lasts longer, resists temperature extremes, and is dramatically lighter than anything available now. This is possible because of quantum interlocked conduction. Energy flows through quantum-entangled electron layers instead of standard current, creating a whole new category of energy transfer beyond classical physics. Quantum interlocked conduction is Tesla's boldest technical leap yet. Traditional batteries store energy by physically moving atoms and molecules. The Omega Core stores energy by manipulating the quantum spin states of electrons inside the graphene lattice. These quantum states need no extra physical mass beyond the graphene structure, which explains the big weight drop. The electrons exist in superposition states, able to store multiple energy levels at once, essentially reaching energy densities near theoretical maximums. The results of this quantum breakthrough? Zero thermal runaway risk, zero swelling, and zero fire hazard. The 3 deadly issues that have plagued every battery design for decades have been wiped out. Tesla hasn't just improved batteries. They've created an entirely new way of storing energy that makes all others look outdated. You absolutely need to see the full technical breakdown of how this will change everything we know about electric vehicles forever. After hearing these figures, how do you feel knowing that today's EV batteries are already obsolete? If you think this is the core of Tesla's next revolution, type Omega Core in the comments. Why can this battery power a Tesla for 100 days with no charging? Because it doesn't just store power, it also collects it. What Tesla just revealed will make you rethink everything you know about energy. The Omega Core includes an integrated ambient ion harvesting system that completely changes how we see battery technology. This groundbreaking system pulls low-frequency radio and electromagnetic energy from the environment, like radio telescopes collect signals from space. But instead of just listening to the cosmos, it's constantly feeding your Tesla. Even more impressive is Tesla's new kinetic flux coil, which absorbs energy while you're moving, storing power as you drive and even when parked. This means your car is literally recharging itself every single moment. The ambient ion harvesting system works across multiple electromagnetic frequency bands at the same time. Very low-frequency radio waves from global navigation systems contribute 0.3 to 0.8 kilowatt-hour daily, while ambient Wi-Fi and cellular signals add another 1.2 to 2.1 kilowatt-hour. The system contains thousands of microscopic antennas built directly into the car's body panels, each tuned to different frequency ranges. Unlike solar panels that need direct sunlight, electromagnetic harvesting works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even underground or inside buildings. The kinetic flux coil is an advanced use of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. As the car moves through Earth's magnetic field, special coils in the wheels and chassis create electric current. Tesla's big breakthrough is using the car's entire metal body as a massive induction coil. Even parked cars generate power from Earth's magnetic field fluctuations, wind-induced vibrations, and thermal expansion cycles that cause tiny movements enough for energy harvesting. Tesla's secret test vehicle has already shown this isn't science fiction. It drove an unbelievable 900 miles with zero plug-in charging. The ambient harvesting system delivered daily recharge rates between 5 and 12 kilowatt-hours depending on location.